In today's video, we're diving deep into the Ferrari F80, a hybrid supercar that succeeds the LaFerrari and promises to raise the bar for the Italian brand in the hypercar segment. The F80 stands out with a design inspired by the legendary F40, one of Ferrari's most iconic models. The sleek and sculpted lines of the body create an aggressive and sporty appearance, emphasizing the F80's supercar DNA. Features like the Daytona-inspired visor, headlights, and the rear wheel arches pay homage to Ferrari's heritage and celebrate the brand's glorious past. But the F80 isn't just about aesthetics. Under the hood, Ferrari has introduced a revolutionary hybrid propulsion system that pairs a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 3 electric motors. This bold setup delivers a combined power output of 1,200 horsepower, an impressive figure that places the F80 at the pinnacle of the supercar hierarchy. Aerodynamics were also a top priority during the F80's development. The bodywork was sculpted to maximize downforce, generating 1,000 kilograms of aerodynamic pressure at 250 kilometers per hour. The active rear wing and the S-duct are just some of the features contributing to its exceptional aerodynamic performance. Inside, the F80 features a 1+ layout, putting the driver first with a bright red adjustable bucket seat and a driver-oriented dashboard. Meanwhile, the passenger seat is fixed in place. The new steering wheel, with flatter top and bottom sections, is set to appear in future Ferrari models. The minimalist cockpit design focuses on functionality and performance, utilizing premium materials such as carbon fiber and composites to create a sophisticated yet lightweight environment. When it comes to technology, the F80 impresses with its digital instrument panel, which provides all the essential information for the driver. The car offers 3 driving modes: hybrid, performance, and qualify, allowing drivers to tailor the F80's behavior to their preferences. The boost optimization technology identifies track sections where additional power can be deployed and optimizes energy distribution. The Kinetic Energy Recovery System, MGU-K, transforms braking energy into electricity to recharge the battery. Safety is another strong point for the F80. In addition to CCMR Plus carbon ceramic brakes developed in collaboration with Brembo, the F80 features active aerodynamics to enhance stability and grip, especially during cornering and at high speeds. Active safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist are also included. The F80's performance is nothing short of spectacular. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.15 seconds and reaches a top speed of 350 km per hour, figures that place it among the fastest cars Ferrari has ever produced. The synergy between the combustion engine and electric motors ensures explosive performance. Driving dynamics are another highlight of the F80. The active suspension delivers a smooth and comfortable ride on regular roads while providing precise, sporty handling on the track. All-wheel drive ensures grip and control in all conditions. The adjustable driving modes allow the car to adapt to the driver's style and the track conditions. The Ferrari F80 represents a bold step forward for the Italian brand in shaping the future of supercars. Combining breathtaking performance with cutting-edge technologies, the F80 promises an unparalleled driving experience for the select few lucky enough to own one. And with that, we wrap up our review of the Ferrari F80. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our content. See you next time.